So guys, I'm discussing about that how to adding for content on your particular WordPress website proper SEO on page. In this purpose, we can use it for WordPress for two plugins. One is a Yosta plugin, second will be all-in-one SEO plugin. So in this one, I'm using for all-in-one SEO plugin. So where you can check plugin option, we have to check for all-in-one SEO pack. Some people using for Yosta, some people using for all-in-one SEO pack option. First of all, add your content. Where I'm adding content will be in a project option with a proper title and description. First to prepare your content will be here. So select the proper title where you can go to WordPress dashboard. So how to open for WordPress dashboard? After .com your website, wp-admin, WordPress admin is a login. In the particular, go to your post option. What are the page you have? Add new. Select your title. Add your so you can give away options here. So this I'm give the option. What are the content will be here? Add this content. After this one, same what are the title will be here. Just what are the plugin will be install all in one SEO plugin here. Add your title. So what are the description will be here. In this, we can add what are the keywords are there. The keywords adding for option will be tags. So where you can add the option will be project option. In this right side corner, we are selecting for project option. After this one, here you can add by here the particular this. Each keyword we can derive by the pipe symbol here. So what are the keywords are there? Copy, paste, people how to search, you can add by the tags option here. Title, description done, everything will be here, particular things. Here, description we can put in for comma option. In a pipe symbol, we can each keyword will separate by the pipe symbol. So it's done. Our description will be done. Next will be image. Image will be designed by the Canva. After we can download the image will be properly. And one more very important one, when add the image time, what are the your content will be there and the image name both are will be same. So here, the image adding for set as a future image. Select here, upload option, select file. You can go to here where the image will be here. Add image. When adding image time, compulsory we can follow instruction will be alt tag. Alt tag nothing but image specific tag option. Add here, image done. Next we can click for publish. Before project we have only for one option is there. We have what are the project will be adding here. The project will come into in this option here. So in this, your complete detail will be here. Your particular tags will be here. So this is the adding method in the particular WordPress proper SEO. One is image alt tag important, title, description, and keywords important. Keywords will adding for tags option. So these are the parameters we have to follow this. Add the content on your particular WordPress website. Any plugin you have to install, the procedure will be here. plugin. We can add new plugin. So what are the plugin you're looking for SEO? Search here. They are all showing for SEO plugins. In the top plugin will be Yoast and all-in-one SEO pack. So in this I'm using for all-in-one SEO pack. Sometimes here is a problem for Yoast plugin. So we are using for all-in-one SEO pack plugin. If we all install, they're showing for active stage. If you not install, they're showing for install now option. These are the options you can compulsory use. Add your content along with the proper title, description, tags, and the image particular all tag. Image upload time and image after uploading, the both names are should be same as the your title of the your website on the posting on your website. So these are follow instruction. Add content on your WordPress website.